Welcome to DIY Future Project. DIY is an Erasmus Plus funded project aiming at teaching young people DIY skills to increase the lifetime of products and sustainable consumption. Have you ever dreamed of turning your DIY passion into a successful business? Whether you're a craft enthusiast, a maker, or a creator, this module is designed just for you. Structuring and managing a DIY business requires more than just creativity. It takes careful planning and execution to achieve long-term sustainability and profitability. In this module, we'll guide you through the essential components of building a strong foundation for your business. By mastering these skills, you'll gain the confidence and knowledge to transform your DIY ideas into a thriving business. Keep learning by exploring DIY Future contents on the website www.diyfuture.eu.